Hey everyone, Mike Zagari here, and I wanted to share with you a couple of quick strategies that you can implement right away. These strategies we have used with many Amazon sellers over the last couple of years, and it's really helped them save a lot of money on ad spend. So this video is going to help you do that, and you can implement these strategies as soon as you are done watching. Now, I am inside of the campaign optimization tab, and I'm looking for a particular campaign that I want to do an optimization on. I'm going to select that campaign. And as you likely know by now, campaign optimization is broken down into 5 separate tabs. Each one of these tabs is outlined inside of the Blueprint series. And I'm going to go all the way over to the right-hand side under Negative Word Finder. And Negative Word Finder is really cool because what it does is it allows you to find individual search words that are not profitable. So how does this all work? Basically, somebody is shopping for a product on Amazon and they type in a search term and then they will click on your ad. They will either buy that product or they will not buy your product. If they do not buy your product but they've clicked on your ad, it's going to show up. The individual word is going to show up inside of PPC Entourage. So what we do is we break down all of the search terms into individual words. And as you can see, this individual word, whenever it was typed in or part of a search term, it was not profitable. So there were 38 unprofitable clicks. Now, what exactly happened? Somebody probably typed in cat houses or outdoor cat houses or whatever it is. The word houses was not linked to a profitable PPC sale. So what we wanted to do is we want to eliminate that from exposure in the future. So as you can see, it's led to $26 in wasted ad spend and approximately $317 a year in wasted ad spend. Another one is microwave, and this is a brand name, K&H. So we do not sell microwaves, and K&H is not our brand name. So what we want to do is we want to do a negative phrase match. By doing a negative phrase match, you're basically telling Amazon that you do no longer want exposure anytime somebody types in a search term with the word houses or microwave or K&H. And you could do that from inside of Entourage. It's very simple and easy. And by the way, guys, this works phenomenally on automatic campaigns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select the ones I want to add to a campaign. I'm going to click on Add Negatives to a Campaign. I'm going to confirm the ones I want to add. I'm going to do this at a campaign level. I'm going to confirm, and I want to do a negative phrase match on this and click on confirm. And now all of that information is synchronizing with Amazon. And now you will no longer get exposure for those nasty terms that are causing you to lose money on ad spend. So another thing that I wanted to share with you guys is that we have a lot of educational resources that are available to help you up your game, your PPC game. So if you go over into the sidebar over here, the burger menu, you're going to notice that we have the fundamentals course, which is going to share with you all of the basic fundamentals of PPC. Even if you know what you're doing with PPC, there's going to be some great information in this course to help you up your game a little bit. Then we have the Blueprint series, which is all about strategy. And it's really great because it shows you the strategy, then also how to leverage Entourage to implement that strategy very fast. You could even have a VA do some of the strategies quickly and easily every single week. After that, the Bulk Optimizer Bootcamp is really popular because the Bulk Optimizer tool inside of Entourage is the fastest way to save a lot of money on ad spend. You can save thousands upon thousands of dollars a year, and you could also do it in a very timely manner. So the Bulk Optimizer Bootcamp is well worth your time. After that, we have the Autopilot Bootcamp. The Autopilot Bootcamp is essential if you're looking for a set it and almost forget it solution. This will explain what Autopilot is, how to set up an Autopilot campaign for success, and what Autopilot does is it goes in every single night and optimizes your campaigns based on the information that you give it, based on the type of target ACOS you want, based on the search terms you want to negate, all of these different things. We even have advanced features like day parting and seasonality. And that's all explained inside of the Autopilot Bootcamp. And it's great because once you go through that bootcamp, you can set up a bunch of your campaigns on autopilot, which means it takes you away and it frees up your time to do bigger and better things. Finally, we have the Spotlight Blueprint. And for those of you who have several products and want to set up headline search ads or sponsored branding ads, the Spotlight Blueprint is an amazing resource to help you set up winning headline search ads. So it goes through step by step, just like the Blueprint series, how to set up the best ads, how to get the best placement, how to choose the best photos, how to set up the best headline, how to choose the best products, the best landing pages. All of these different things are located inside of the Spotlight Blueprint. So as you can see, there's lots of educational resources. I would start at the very top and work your way through, and at the very end, you're going to have a really good understanding of sponsored products and how to set up winning campaigns with winning strategies and saving money on excessive ad spend in the process.